International Sava River Basin Commission is involved in the implementation of the shelter project as a co-coordinator of the Open Lab, which is one of the 5 case studies within the project related to the Sava River Basin. We are coordinating this Open Lab jointly with UNESCO Regional Bureau from Venice. And in addition to the main objective of the project at the first of the workshops with the stakeholders, we have defined also the local objectives. So currently we are implementing the main objective of the project and 5 local objectives, trying to collect as much as possible data of the cultural heritage sites endangered by floods, trying to improve the existing GIS platform of the Sava Commission, so-called Sava GIS, integrating all those data under the existing functionalities. Also, we are working on the assessment of the flood risk on cultural heritage. And actually the most important local objective is also networking between 3 relevant sectors for the project. So we are trying to connect authorities responsible for the cultural heritage protection, authorities responsible for the flood risk management planning, and civil protection. And the 5th objective also includes knowledge exchange between these 3 sectors within the Sava Open Lab, but also exchange of knowledge with all other Open Labs from the project. With these actions, our main goal is to try to enhance resilience of cultural heritage endangered by climate change. So our as said goal is to use as much as possible shelter project as just one piece in the long-term process to improve flood forecasting, to improve data exchange, to improve planning of the protection of cultural heritage from floods.